told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Guys, what's up? Ardop TV here. Welcome to my channel. Ngayong araw guys, ang ginagawa namin, nag-cleaning kami ng ladder. Kanina natapos namin ng galing Alpha hanggang GT. Ngayon, tuloy naman namin para matapos. Kasama ko si Kapnat. Ngayon guys, yung first namin na gawin, ito-cleaning. Ngayon tayo Kapnat? Yan yung mga ladder na linisan namin. Yan, worth it. Guys, dito muna ako maglinis. Kapnod doon maglinis kabilang side. Ako dito. Yan. Kunin yung nakadikit na mga barnacles. Linisan natin.
A few moments later.
Guys, natapos na natin guys. Nakuha na natin yung mga kapit na barnacles. Tingnan nyo. Share ko sa inyo guys ha. At saka guys, i-share ko sa inyo ang view dito. So yun, tayo ako ni Kap para lipat kami sa ibang location na naman. Ito na si Kapnat. Lipat naman kasi sa ibang location. Tapos na naman namin. So guys, abangan nyo sa sunod. Rock and roll. Doon namin na Bert, ang Bert NP. Yo. Mission namin cleaning the marina ladder. Ang in-cap, isa lang yung ladder sa kapi, isa lang sila. Sa in, isa din. Sa gitna. Ay, gitna din. Dito ako sa N. Or sa P ako Kap. P. Para mamaya daanan na lang ako. Guys, dito na naman tayo sa Bird Q. Natapos na natin yung dalawa. Ito dito na naman tayo. Ito yung itsura. Linisan natin. Yan. Linisan natin. Guys, live na tayo. Linisan natin. Kapnat, doon din siya maglilinis. Yung ladder doon.
Minutes later.
Guys, ito yung last na ngayong araw. Pahinga na naman kami. Ito yung huling ladder. Yan si Kapnat.
Sabi ko mauna na lang kayo.
Yan si Loloy.
Tama na.
Tropa ko si Loloy.
Oo. Hindi na ako nag-bike.
Ay, hindi ko lang mag-bike. Ako, tinigil ko na nga yung pag-bike kasi wala eh. Natamad na ako eh. Sigising ka ng maaga. Pag sa gabi ka na rin makauwi. Sarap na humiga yun eh. Nakaprupo, maaga talaga ng bike. Minsan, alas 3.
Like a poser.
Oh. Yun, dati di ba tayo? Nakasama din naman.
Kaya ayaw ko ng galon. Masarap pa yung tulog ko nun eh. Dating gata ka galon. Gising ako ng madaling araw. Hindi na pa kayo nal?
Umaga. Oo, hindi, pahinga kami sa tanghali. Alas 3 naman.
Ito tapos na yun, Pantanol.
Pastry, bukas namin tirahin.
A few moments later.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
Captain Arnold is here. Good.
but I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Out. Ang kitangkas sa grupo. Marina Boy.
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that it's so I see the way you look at me, it's such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me, well then baby I could taste all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. Just thinking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
The next day.
What's up? Arnold TV here. Great cup ng Nathaniel. Tuloy namin yung dive. Yung natira namin yung pastry na lang dito, bird. Maglinis kami ng ladder, marina ladder. Yung stainless na kinakapitan ng mga barnacle. Guys, share ko muna yung view namin sa marina namin dito. Wala guys, hindi kami nakagamit ng marina boat ngayon kasi hindi available. May trabaho yung isang captain, kumuha ng basura sa dagat. Ayun, gamit muna kami ng truck car. Yo, good morning! Morning, shout out sa mga tropa. Marina Boys, basketball team. Sana manalo tayo.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got a couple plans, that's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm cool passing time. I
Siya kay ID Cup? Kanala?
time while I move past my life. I work hard each and every day.
Balik ka?
Lost in the words I say.
Balik ka?
Don't push pause, no I'm push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw all the things I made.
Balik ka handa para dito yung operation.
A few moments later.
Ito yung ida-dive natin ngayon. Yan, tuloy natin yung mga kapit na yan. Ito tayo ngayon sa pastry. Ito yung view dito sa bird na to. Okay guys, mag-start na tayo mag-dive. Inis ng ladder.
20 minutes later.
Yan yung forma. Tapos natin. Lilipat naman tayo doon banda sa ibang dock.
A few minutes later.
To remove the barnacle. Okay, now we are ready to do it. Go ahead.
Our captain is diving.
A few moments later.
Captain, come back. Work done.
One eternity later.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best.
A few moments later.
Mission accomplished. Job well done. With Captain Nathaniel. Kahapon natapos namin yung paglinis ng fire hydrant. Ngayong araw nalinis na naman namin yung higit 50 na ladder na dito sa marina. What? Kasi dito yung phase 3 20 na ladder to. Ngayong umaga lang kahapon tapos kami ng 30 na ladders, around 50 ladders na tapos namin paglinis. Ayun guys, proceeding na balik na namin para magpahinga. Let's go! Take afternoon! Guys, maraming salamat sa inyong pagsuporta at pagsubaybay. At kung bago ka pa sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Don't forget also to hit the notification bell button para updated ka sa mga bagong videos. Hanggang sa muli guys, see you next time for more videos. Bye bye!